Tired of waiting for funds to clear? I'm about to show you how to make immediate payments using the Nedbank app, transferring money instantly. First, open the Nedbank Money app on your smartphone. Make sure you're logged in with your Nedbank ID, password, or biometrics. Once logged in, locate and tap the Transact button or a similar option to initiate a transaction. It's usually at the bottom of your screen. From the Transact menu, select the Pay option. This will lead you to the payment screen where you can choose to pay someone. Now choose your beneficiary. You can either select someone you've paid before from your list of beneficiaries or add a new beneficiary if this is their first time receiving money from you. Tap the option that applies to you. If you selected new beneficiary, carefully enter their banking details. This will include their bank name, account number, and branch code. Ensure that all details are accurate to avoid any payment issues. Next, enter the amount you wish to pay. Then, very importantly, look for an option like immediate payment, instant clear, or something similar to ensure the payment goes through immediately. Be aware that immediate payments often come with an extra charge. Confirm this before proceeding. You may need to select the bank name by scrolling up. Review all the payment details displayed on the confirmation screen very carefully. This includes the beneficiary's name, bank and account number, the amount you're sending, and, most importantly, that you've selected the immediate payment option. If everything looks correct, tap the Confirm button. You should then receive a confirmation message indicating that your immediate payment was successful. This screen usually includes a reference number and a timestamp, and that's it. You've successfully made an immediate payment using the Nedbank app. Enjoy the convenience of instant transfers.